Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Hotspot Shield VPN. First, install the app from the Play Store. I already have it installed, so I will open it now. Once the app opens, tap Got it. After that, you will see the free trial history. You can start the free trial if you want to test the premium features or simply scroll down and tap Proceed with ads and limits to continue with the free version. You may also see a special offer, but you can skip it and continue. Now you will be on the main screen. In the free version, you can choose different server locations, so all you have to do is connect to the VPN. Tap connect, then select watch chat, then ad will play. So each ad gives you 15 minutes of VPN access. If you watch more ads, your available time will increase. Right now, I have 1 hour of VPN time available. Also, you can scroll down to view more information about the VPN connection. Now, when I check my location, you can see that it has changed, which means the VPN is working properly. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.